Most of us live paycheck to paycheck. In other words, most of us are always broke. Are you one of them? Hey, you need to know why you're broke and why you're always broke and what you can do to avoid being broke. If you've not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. If you have subscribed, thank you very much. Feel appreciated. So why are you broke? Some of you are broke because they want to spend all their money to look rich. I want to tell you something. Money is a very good servant, but a terrible master. So you need to do a few things for money to serve you rather than to master you. It is important for you to know that you can easily become a slave of money, especially if you go into a lot of debts. And so today, I want us to have a conversation on what is it that you have to do, or what are those secrets of not being broke at all times. If you've not checked my previous video on how to save, I would advise that you check it up in the description. People are broke because number one, they spend all that they have. When you spend all the money that you have, or you have what we call a net zero lifestyle, then definitely you will be broke. You need to understand that what you do with your money will determine whether you are broke or not. It is not about what you earn, but it is about what you do with your money. So if you don't want to be broke, stop spending all the money that you earn. In other words, stop the net zero lifestyle, the net zero thinking. Some of you are always broke because they spend money they do not have on things they don't need. Let me repeat that again. You'll always be broke if you keep spending money that you do not have on things that you don't need. What am I saying? Some of you live on credit. Some of you are on Fuliza, Okoa Jahazi, Kopa Krendo. My friend, you will always be broke because you are simply spending money that you do not have. And how do you overcome that? You need to start buying what you can afford. You see, some of you buy things to impress others. Some of you buy things because other people have bought them and you don't have. In fact, some of you have cars on credit, fuel on credit to impress. You will always be broke. So stop buying things that you don't need with money you don't even have. Stop always buying things on credit. In fact, I'm of the opinion you don't need a credit card. What for? A credit card encourages you to buy things that you don't need when you don't have money. The other reason why you could be broke is because you keep buying things that are liabilities, things that bring money out of your pocket. People who are not broke buy assets, things that bring money to their pocket. So you're broke because you are more of a liability person. You buy things that remove money out of your pocket. You are buying things so that you can look rich, especially the young generation. You think if you look a certain way, you look rich. Life is not about impressing others. No. Life is about being you. Be original. Stop photocopies. Some of you are broke. Even guys in college are broke because they want to impress others. No. You need to start thinking assets rather than liabilities. Another reason why some of you are broke is because they are living fake. If you want to know people who are living fake, look at their social media handles. My friend, look at Instagram. They even fake that they are in Dubai. What for? You'll always be broke because you're buying things so that you can look like other people. I want to tell you what you see in social media most times is fake. People who are rich will never do some things I see in social media. Have you ever seen Manu Chandaria in social media posting a living fake? Huh? In your social media handles, who cares? If you check my previous video, I told you to stop living lives of people who do not know you and who do not even care. In other words, stop borrowing money to buy things so that you can look fake in Instagram, so that you can look fake in your social media handles. Be original, be you. You're not in any competition with anyone. So you're broke because you're living fake. Are we together? Everyone is after your money. When you start getting money and being rich, people start following you for your money. In other words, you need to know what is worth spending your money on if you don't want to remain broke. Yeah? And the best way to do that is to have your own money for yourself. Yeah? Huh? Just understand, every time you get information, filter it, filter that knowledge, and get to know, why is this person around me? Everybody is after your money. Be very careful. You'll find yourself broke and they all disappear. That is the sad story. When you have money, you have very many friends, right? You go, you spend your money, buy them sijui what. You go to Carnival, you go to big hotels. Immediately your money is over, you call them, they don't pick your phone. No, because they are after your money. Those are the reasons why I think you're broke and what you can do to get out of that. What do you think? Why do you think you're broke? Put a comment. Yeah? And stop being broke by applying some of these things. And of course, when you stop being broke, then you're able to save. Thank you very much. I hope you're becoming a better money manager. My area is strategy, so I'm giving you strategies of how to manage your money. Yeah? If you need a consultant, give us a call. We'll come and speak to your people. Yeah? Because people need to start doing the right thing. Yeah. Like this video, leave us a comment why you think you're broke or why people are broke. And of course, share this video widely so that we can help as many people as possible to enjoy life. Because guess what? Life is very short. You need to enjoy it, but enjoy it responsibly. And of course, make money for yourself. Be happy and move around the world because you are rich, you are wealthy. Bless you. And let's keep the conversation going.
Are you looking for a consultant, a trainer, or a motivational speaker? Well, look no further. Our team is competent in implementing team building and training programs for various clients. We work with you to identify your needs, assess your employees' skills design, and implement the most appropriate approach to deliver. Our approach is founded on a well-thought process including a post-training phase and evaluation phase to assess the training. We are experts in team building, motivation talks, and matters of leadership and strategy. Call us and see the difference.